Morning, it's Andrew Smith from Royal LePage, Kelowna. Welcome to Coffee with Andy. This is a weekly update of the Kelowna housing market here in the central Okanagan. We're at Bright Jenny today. We're at Bright Jenny in the Mission. So really nice patio here. They have the lights, kind of like we're in the middle of a Kim Mitchell video, but it feels like we're in the passing lane of Lakeshore. Nevertheless, it's really nice. It's a big upgrade from what they had here, which I think was some sort of butcher shop that I don't know anyone who ever went to. But now it's it's just a coffee shop, and they put Starbucks out of business a block away. So good for these guys. Housing market. So let's start with the good news. We're on autopilot. 47 residential sales last week compared to 49 the week before. It's in the high 40s the week before. So it's predictable. Being predictable and consistent, those are our two best friends these days. We're not seeing weeks where it's in the 70s or the 80s, and we're not seeing those weeks where it's in the teens. It's in the high 40s, and everybody likes the high 40s, right? I mean, we can make a living in the high 40s. People can sell their places in the high 40s. That's where we are. We're in the spring market now. We'd like to see it higher, but nevertheless, this is where we are, and this is what we all have to consider the new normal. Well, we have to be a little bit nervous, and we have a sample size of over 600 homes so far sold this year. The median sales price so far this year is $933,000. Pretty good. It's a lot of money. But if you compare it to 12 months ago, at this point of the year, we were at $970,000. So 970 to 930, you don't think that's a big deal if it was, a week or a month. But it's been, we're deep into May now, and at some point you gotta say maybe we're leaking a little bit of oil on the prices front. We're used to it going from in the 930s to 970. That's great. Wish it was higher, but yeah, pretty good. We're making money on our house. But 970 to 930, this could correct itself, and it probably will, because we see higher priced homes sell in the summertime and in the fall. But right now, it's certainly something. It's the thing we're focused on the most. And at 200 sales, we have about 1,573 active listings, which is pretty good. But if we're burning through 200 of them a month, it puts us still in a buyer's market. We have to be at about 250 or 260 per month in order for it to go into balanced and approach a seller's market, and we're just not there yet. So Parker with the sound effects back there. Apartment sales jumped from 16 last week up to 18. I guess it's good that it's going up. So yay condo market. But there's 780 units on the market, and to have 18 people sell last week, we need to have significantly more. And again, there's all sorts of things changing right now in terms of government regulations with short-term rentals, and that will hopefully start to unthaw the investor market, and they return to Kelowna. They can return to Kelowna if the laws change tomorrow. If we were allowed unlimited rentals, short-term rentals, buyers and sellers would get together again on prices. But right now, people are just a little nervous and are staying away. So 47 sales, pretty good. Thanks for watching. I'll be here. See you guys in 7 days.